Hello, Stephanie. It is November 9th, 2010, and today I, Shannon, will be talking about minimums. Now, you have different minimums for different subjects. In sleep, you have minimums. In computers, you have minimums. In gym workouts, you have minimums. In meals, you have minimums. So for sleeping, for me, my absolute minimum is 5 hours in one night. That is what I do for conventions when I really don't want to sleep because there's so much going on. That's what I do if I have a test to study for, 5 hours. Sometimes I can get away with 3 hour nap and then another 3 hour nap after the exam because that's what you need. Also, I have to say, you need sleep when you're studying. That's why I always make sure I have a minimum of 3 hours because that's how you remember things. It's what puts it into even like a medium length amount of memory and makes it so it doesn't get jumbled. Especially because I'm dyslexic, it's a big issue for me anyways. So that's just a thought. So for sleep, minimum 5 hours, prefer 10, not 10, I do prefer 10, but my thought was that I prefer to have 7 hours a night, and that includes a nap randomly throughout the day, or like some caffeine and sugar, because 7 hours does not actually keep me going all day. Having a nap around 1 or 2 is definitely preferred. So that's minimums for sleep. I want to talk about minimums for my computer, because one of the minimums for my computer has not been working, and that's internet. Internet needs to work. Now, actually, the way that I consider a computer functional or not is if it can or cannot play a video off of YouTube. That's how I know if the computer is functional. If the computer does not have the capacity or the software to take something off of YouTube and play it, then it is not worth keeping and that computer should be gotten rid of. It is a junk computer. If it is so old that the software will not load, then that's not worth it. It doesn't have any functional value, not even as a word processor. It doesn't count. So if it doesn't have internet, yeah. So my internet has been going out lately at my school, and it's been pissing me off. Just today, the thing is that I was emailing things back and forth to myself because I was using my computer and my laptop. When you're using your computer and your laptop, you need to have the documents sync up enough that, or at least the document that you're working on, to sync up. That way you can keep working on the same version of the document. And I couldn't do that because the internet was going down, so I need to unbury my flash drive and use that, and that was kind of annoying. I mean, I love my flash drive, and it's good to have it unburied and everything, but it's easy to just be emailing something to myself while I'm already on the internet, so whatever. I also, minimums when working out is the next topic. So when I'm working out, I always have a minimum of I must do like 5 laps around the court, or I have to do 10 or 15 laps of the pool or something. And it's really interesting what the minimum is for the different subjects that I'm doing. If I'm going for a run, because I am very bad at running and I kind of don't like it that much because I'm not good at running, then I do a mile tops. And if I can finish the mile in 15 minutes, then I'm done. I'm done. That is the biggest accomplishment for the day. I'm set. I don't need to worry about it ever again. But if I'm swimming I do like 20 laps.